Hello friends, today we are going to see lead code medium problem, binary tree level order traversal. In this problem, you are given with binary tree and you need to return level by level value in the form of list. Example, for this example, you should return a list which contain first level values, then second level values and third level values and so on. Let's see the second example. In this example, you have only root value, so there is only one level, so you should return the value at level 1. Third example, if the binary tree is null or empty, in that case you should return empty list. Let's see our approach to solve this problem. So we are going to use breadth first search algorithm. For this, what you need to do is you need to simply create an empty array list to store the label for all the result. Then you have to create a queue. So queue is needed to hold the values of the current level. And the third, if the root is not empty, then add the root value in the queue. If the root is empty, then simply return the list. Then in fourth step, you need to run a while loop until the queue is empty. So in this while loop, what we are going to do is we are going to get the size of the queue. So the size of the queue will give me the number of node present on that label. Then for that label, you need to create an array list to hold the value on that label. Then run a for loop from 0 to size and pull the element from the queue. So once you get the first node from the queue, add the value to the label result list and check if that current node has a left child or right child. If it has a left child and or right child, then add those child to the queue. So once the for loop get over, you need to add the label result list to our final result list. And once you come out of the while loop, when the queue is empty, then you have to return the result list. Let's do a code for it. So I will be declaring a result list which should be our array list, and then I will check if our root is equal to null. So in that case, we should return the result list. Means we are covering example 3. And if the root is not null, then you should create a queue. This queue will hold the tree node. So it's a tree node queue. I'm creating it using a linked list. Add the root value in the queue. Run a while loop until this queue is not empty. Till that point, what you're going to take is declare a variable size which will get the size of the queue. Once you got a size of the queue, we need to collect the values on the current label. So I'm going to create one more list to get the label result. So label result will be our array list which can hold integer value. And now run the for loop from 0 to size. And now what you need to do is you need to get the node from the queue. So you have to pull it. So once you pull the node from the queue, you can add that value into the label result. So it will be node dot val, and then we have to check if the current node has a left child. If it has the left child, then what you have to do is you have to add it in the queue. Also check if it has the right child, and if it has the right child, then add it in the queue. Okay, so after a for loop, you have to add the result, label result, to our main result list. Adding the label result list to main result list, and after this while loop you can return the actual result list. Okay, so let's run this program. So our basic test case got pass. Let's submit this problem and check whether it passed all the test cases. So it has cleared all the test cases. So what can be the time complexity for it? Now we are iterating all the node in the tree level by level. So it's a linear traveling. The complexity will be order of n. We are using extra space for the queue and storing the result. So the space complexity is also order of n. Hope you understood this problem. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.